Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you are well. I am okay too. Today I am back in the kitchen. I'm going to be doing a fridge cleaning and organization video, so stay tuned for that. But first of all, welcome back to my channel. I thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, for liking, for sharing with your friends, and for subscribing. And if it's your first time here, karibu sana. Thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for choosing this channel. Please stay till the end for some fridge cleaning and organization motivation. And if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. Oh my goodness, consider subscribing to my channel to join our YouTube family. This is how the fridge looks at the moment. This is the freezer section. There's still some ice inside. And then I have this tray, which is dirty. I don't know whether you can see that. It's really dirty. As I said, I haven't cleaned the fridge in a while, so that's the reason why. And these shelves are also quite dirty. Yeah, as you can see, you have some spillage over there. I think that's milk. And then there's this vegetable compartment. Whoa, look at that, real dirt. So yeah, I'm going to take everything out, all the shelves out. I like to clean the shelves under running water, so that's what I'm going to do. I normally use water and vinegar to clean the fridge. I take that mixture, put it in a bowl or a basin, and use a microfiber cloth to wash the inside of the fridge. I like vinegar because not only does it clean well, but it removes the smell, the odor from the fridge. But you can also use water and soap. You can use dish soap and some water to clean the inside of the fridge as well. It works well. Always remember to switch off the fridge power source before you start cleaning it. I usually wrap my fruits and veggies in a cling film. I feel that this keeps them fresher for longer. And for the green beans and cilantro, I normally keep them in containers and I line the containers with a serviette. The serviette absorbs extra moisture, which helps the green beans stay fresher for longer. The fridge is now clean. and organized. Let me take you through how I have arranged everything. As you can see, my fridge is not very big. If you have a small fridge like mine, this is an idea of how you can organize your fridge. I have been able to fit a lot of things inside, even though it's really not that big. I will start with the freezer section. So here we have, inside the freezer, as you can see, I have my peas here. These are yellow beans, and then behind the yellow beans there's minced meat. So there's 2 containers of minced meat there. So that's minced meat. And then I have yellow beans, and then I have my peas, and yeah, at the corner I have my green grams. So I like boiling my cereals and storing them here. Makes my work so much easier. So yeah, that's my freezer. And then below the freezer there's this tray. So in the tray, this is where I keep my, should I call them meat stuff or meat related items, like sausages. I have my sausages. These are burger patties. I have my beef brown for making sandwiches, and then I have this mini bites. They're like smokies. They're good snacks for the kids. My kids love them, so I always have those in the house. In the fridge section, I have, on the top shelf, I have my leftovers. All these containers have leftovers. There's this, and the other 2 at the back, they have leftover food. And then I've kept my grapes there because that's where I had some extra space. On the second shelf, I have my bell peppers. I put bell peppers here. I have milk and eggs. Oh, there you go. So I have bell peppers, milk, and eggs. I normally put my milk there because that's where the temperature is constant, as opposed to the door. Because of the constant opening of and closing of the door, the temperature at the door fluctuates a lot. So it's advisable to put the most perishable foods inside the fridge and not on the door. I am a culprit of I once used to put my milk and eggs at the door, but since discovering that, now I put the eggs and the milk inside the fridge. Now then, the bottom shelf, I have fruits and tomatoes. So these are the tomatoes here. Here I have oranges and apples. And then at the bottom, at the very bottom, I have this compartment that's meant for vegetables, and that's what I've put here. These 2 containers contain, they have my green beans, and then I have my cilantro, that's dania, and then my broccoli, and at the end, or at the bottom, I have carrots. You can see the carrots at the bottom. Yep. So that's what's inside that area. So yeah, that's what I have in the fridge section. Then at the door, I am missing one of these shelves. It broke, unfortunately, so it limits my space, but anyway, we move on. I have yogurt. We love Delamere in this house, and some mustard. At the second shelf, I have maziwa lala for me and the kids. This is water. Then maziwa lala. Then I have soy sauce. Yep, that's soy sauce. I have chili sauce, tomato sauce, and ketchup. And at the bottom, I have my juices. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope you got motivated. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.